Let's do this. Yeah.
Story time now. So, back in the early 2000s, them time there when boy pitney bad and all over the place, you see me? As your mother and father turn them back, you're gone on the road. Either on your bicycle or you walk your foot, go link up with your brethren them. You see it? So, you know how we always do it. Either one man start circle everybody yard. And when you circle everybody yard, it's like, check, say, where you do, you see me? Everybody make a link up. Everybody link up at that point and we decide, say, yo, if a cricket we are going to play, football, or if we are going to go to a beach, you see me? So, the most place we normally go to a beach still, so every day we normally run in on the beach, go swim, go try catch 2 fish, and all of them things there, and walk the beach. You know, the time the beach full of tourists in the man. So when you walk come up, you see all type of people. Yeah. And if you tell us, walking at the time the tourists there can't done. You see me? So, me now, young and I think, for my cousin, Charlie could have already swim already. Me can't swim, but you know, me I follow back at them, so me have to learn to swim eventually. So, he might give me a little practice, he might teach me how to swim. The first thing he teach me how to dive, which I want technique I'm going to show you right now.
Yo, I first lesson me get when me I learn to dive. You understand? Because when I dive, you have to flat and you have to stay flat on the water. Boy, fire, sir. Yo.
So after I show me that the technique now and then, me and myself, I go on good funny and I do it one and 2 times and I feel say, yes, boy tax. You're a big swimmer now, you can't swim. You see me? That's how I feel. Honestly, that's how I feel. So, I did there and I go and swim. Go beach more than 1 time and I do my thing. You see me? Finally, he teach me how to swim on water tap. That's when I go so bang. I have a hand them I go so. On the water tap. Finally, he teach me how to do that. You see me? So, I start do that now. You see it? And I get a hang of it. You see me? But normally, I always swim in a shore. You see me? With a shallow right there, so never go too deep. So one day now, me take up my fussy self. You see me? Feel say yes. Boy, you're a big swimmer, you know. You don't really need no body to tell you nothing. You have a luck. Swimming are your thing. So, you see him swim go out a deep. You see it? So me now. So I go follow him swim go out a deep. I make you out a deep. When I tell a lie, I make you out a deep. You see me? But after me make you out a deep, people. You see after me make you out a deep. First time out a deep, and you know a little thing. I could float on water tap. But I could swim. So at this so I feel say I get well tired now. When I say I get tired, people, I get tired. Because you just swim and you don't know if you float on water tap. When I say float on water tap, like you just there, the water deep, but you did it and you have paddles, so you see me? And you're there on the water tap, I never know if you do that. I don't know if you swim. So by me swim go way out. By me swim go way out. I have to come back, people. I'm tired. When I say tired, I mean tired. I can't even come back in. So I swim come back little and then run out of everything, gas. But then everything, no petrol in our system, everything goes lack of warm, every muscle start move. Breath run out, everything, you see me? I'm not used to long swimming and so. That time there, I'm out there now and it's like, what me I gonna do? You see me? That time for me to done fly past gone in a long time. I must feel say I come behind him because I start swim. I follow him up and down and I try do what I do. You see me? Because one thing me and I like I like to learn things and do things, you see me? So during the process of me following up and down, when I come back, him gone in a long time. So I did it, I make too bad, I go down and I come up back. You see me? More if you put touch the bottom, you have to just spring up back. You understand? Because you know, so when you spring up back, you probably come up back look. But guys, that was the day I almost joined. So one man did the close by, you see me? And him see the rates and he says, so look at you to come like you need to help. Come like you know the manage to come back in, and the man rush out there and give me a hand. You see me? I actually reaching, but I did shot him tall. So I rush out there and give me a hand. You see it? Him can't turn up, me could turn up because I say we are little pitney. Rush out there and give me a hand. Yeah man, and pull me in. I say, yo, what you do? You see me? If you can't swim properly, you know, approach them thing then, you know, try go way out a ball. Because everybody want to go a ball was the thing, you know. Because everybody wants to jump in a beat and say, yo, you can't go a ball, you know, everybody want to contest each other. That was something where we always contest each other. You understand? If you do any little thing, anything we do, if you play cricket, who can play cricket better? If you have football, diving, swimming, we have a little things that we keep each other entertainment, flicking.
And that's it. Let's go to the story.
Everything I do so we live and feel good and happy. You understand? Yeah. But after that still, you know, master the art, you see me, and catch it till it come like a normal thing, you see it? Yeah man. You know turn big for me, you know, you see it and be things. Me you know pass save two person. Show my little lifetime already, so you know say when I say we master the art, you see me? Yeah man. So I the story that my people, you see it could have worse. I could have died chat too no, but you know I just walk with you every day, you know, man. I want to big up all like people them and at the place. I follow the thing. Thank you guys, you know.
Can't do it again, buddy. Yo.
Hey guys, I get to do this thing. Alright. I'm a cat walker, you ready? At least B-side push.
Yo. Yes, I can't boss you again.